expert advice on how to become gold savvy. In the investment world, gold is top priority. Don't you would like to know much more concerning this as a way to manage your investments wisely? There is lots to know about, whether you're buying gold or traditional stock. Please read on to learn gold investing a little better. If you invest in gold, the easiest method to put money into is bullion bars. These bars are available in varying weights. They start at a mere half ounce, but additionally rise as high as 400 ounces. The greater sizes are considerably more tough to find. Stick to reputable buyers if you sell your gold. You can find out if they're trustworthy by checking out the BBB reviews. Good customer satisfaction and fair market pricing is good indicators of reputable buyers. This will protect from rip-off artists. Do you know how pricing on precious metals works? You will find fluctuations in the prices of those metals daily, and you will want to know the current price. You should expect to pay higher percentages over the melt values for fractional gold pieces like 1/10, 1/4, and half ounces versus 1 ounce pieces. Before you buy gold from gold sellers, make certain you have scheduled a fast delivery. Should your seller can't agree to immediate delivery, receive the delivery date in writing. Make certain that a specific date shows up in this writing. Only complete the order if given this documentation. If you're thinking of supplementing your retirement funds with the help of gold investing, it's crucial that you understand what type of gold to buy. Your gold must be IRS approved. You need to buy only 24-karat bullion coins or bars. Try to buy gold bars a lot more than coins, as they are a lot more valuable. Look at the return guarantee before you purchase anyone a great gift of gold. It's not unusual for many pieces never to be the receiver's taste or even the wrong size. If you have the receipt, they may easily trade within the piece for something more on their liking. Take into consideration getting your jewelry appraised should you be not sure of its true value. The tiny investment required will make sure you obtain what your jewelry will be worth. And make certain you only hire an unbiased and accredited appraiser to be sure you get a sincere appraisal. Remember, though, which you won't obtain the appraiser's price to your gold. Understand that gold dealers will buy anything that's got gold in it. There could be broken home decor, tableware, jewelry, or any other items that are surrounding you. In addition, it doesn't need to be 100% pure gold. It may simply be gold-plated or portion of the item has gold inside it. They won't be worth the maximum amount of, however you may still get money for them. When you're selling your gold, you need to do the appropriate research. Compare the costs available from different buyers. That way, you will have a good place to start. Start the bidding a bit above what you really want. Doing this, the customer can negotiate just a little. You don't need to own gold to get it. Buying gold-focused mutual funds and stock in businesses that mine gold are other choices for making an investment in gold. If you pick physical gold, keep storage costs at heart. Separate your gold by carat weight. Once you can the gold buying shop, the merchant may make an attempt to dupe you by grouping everything together and treating it as though it had the minimum carat weight in the bunch. You'll miss out on a great deal of potential profit using this method. Rather, pre-separate the pieces to get as much as possible you are able to. When selling gold, separate your pieces based upon their carat values. Should you don't try this, the consumer will likely prove the price for the lowest carat. Higher carat values yield higher prices. If you wish to sell gold online, examine the prices several times prior to starting. In many cases, you will find better deals in a local dealer having a traditional store. Yes, mailing it in may be easier, but could it be worth potentially a lot of money more in the bank? You just might keep small gems out of your gold item once it really has been melted down. But, it may be tough to drive them out if the gems are tiny. Small gemstones normally have no value for dealers as who melt down jewelry to reclaim the gold. You are able to purchase gold without plenty of money up front. There's no problem with beginning with a bit of bit. Start by investing small until you can pay for more. Eventually you can develop your portfolio. Have a complete inventory associated with the gold stuff you mail to some buyer. Make copies of your invoice. You must enclose one copy in the parcel, after which maintain the second copy for your own records. Document every piece of gold jewelry with photographs prior to mail it to your buyer. This may make certain you have photographic evidence of each item that had been shipped. Make sure you get clear images of the identifying marks in the jewelry you happen to be shipping. This must include engravings or other unique markings. You want a scale if you're likely to be buying plenty of gold from private parties and pawn shops. Pawn shops will have scales, but they will not be accurate like yours. You are able to usually get these scales in a good price and they can help you save money over time. Be mindful when selecting gold you imagine could possibly be worthwhile. Shop around and see the actual importance of the piece, along with how rare or even in demand it can be. Coin sales count on the premise their value will boost in time ahead, but this may not be necessarily true. Buying and selling gold is much more complicated which it might initially seem. Now your decisions could be solid. Use the ideas and data you may have gleaned from this article to produce a better financial future. GVMG, Global Viral Marketing Group. Thank you for watching to the end. One-time secret offer. Free web marketing tools giveaway and more. For more details, please click the URL below.